is real. Yep. Wow. Alright, continuing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the look I came up with today, and it's more subtle, natural looking Valentine's Day look. So if you're not into the whole pop of color and like glitter like I did in my last video, you can go ahead and try this look out. And if you like it, then let me know. So if you want to see how to get this look, which I think you do, then just keep watching. I went ahead and applied and set my base for you guys already, just to get into this eye look. So we're going to start off with the shade Roxy from the Subculture palette, and I'm going to create a halo eye look today. So I'm going to apply that in the outer crease of my eye and into the inner corner. Just a little side note, when I apply the color into the inner corner of my eye, I am taking a smaller blending brush so it doesn't get that messy. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Buns in the Jaclyn palette, and I'm just going to apply that where I applied Roxy, just a bit below so I can get that blend going. While I'm blending, I'm going to start taking it to the middle and blending it out throughout the crease. And I'm also going to be taking that color and packing it on to my outer corner of my eye and blending that out. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I'm going to go ahead and apply that in the middle of my eye where I'm going to apply the next shade. And I'm doing this because I want the glittery shade that I'm going to apply pop a lot more. Now I'm going to take the shade Pink Granite and apply that where I put my concealer. And this eyeshadow is from Makeup Forever. I got it as a sample in one of the little Sephora gift things. And I did spray some Fix Plus on my brush before just to give it extra pop. Now I'm just going to go back in with my blending brushes, and with whatever powder I have left on there, I'm going to go ahead and soften up that look and make sure I don't have any harsh lines. To smoke out my lash line, I'm going to go back in with the shade Roxy and smoke that out. And then I'm going to take the shade Buns and just smoke that on the outer corner of the eye. And you want to grab your favorite mascara and start applying that to prep for our falsies. And for falsies today, I'm going to be using the falsies I always use, which are the Queen Bee Cocoa Lashes. For that inner corner highlight, I'm going to be taking the Laura Geller highlight in Gilded Honey. So here it is, the final Valentine's Day look. And as always, if you guys like this, I want to come back for more, make sure to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.